Hi guys, what's going on? It is Dave from Dave Tech Show. Today we are going to be unboxing the Neeweer condenser microphone kit. This is a 4-in-1 kit which includes a pop filter, a ball type foam cap for the top of the microphone, a metal shock mount, a clamp for clamping the microphone to the table, and the microphone itself. So let's get into it, shall we? So in the box we have our pop filter. This goes in front, this clamps onto the microphone stand and goes in front of the microphone to reduce the background noise. This also goes on top of the microphone, it goes onto the actual mic itself. That reduces background noise and any disturbing noises as well. We have thank you for purchasing Neeweer microphone. Some setup instructions, we don't need them. We have a warranty thing which I'll be setting up later. We then have the stand itself. It's very cheapy feeling just by holding it. Nice metal for the microphone to hold on to. I mean, it's okay. Adjust it up and down. That sits into the clamp and you can turn it around, you can move it whatever way you want. We then have the microphone, which is metal, which has an XLR cable, XLR port on the bottom of it, which is great, and it's also a 3.5mm headphone jack. For the port, so we don't have to use an external amp yoke to power it. It says in front here, it says Neeweer NW-700. It's metal with mesh top, tight top. So this goes on top of this, and it helps reduce the noise levels, the background noise. I don't know, in a month's time, I'm going to review it. And I'm going to do a review on it, see if I like it or not. And if I recommend it, I'll leave a link down in the description below. If not, there won't be a link. This was on Amazon for £25, so I wouldn't expect much. But it's a great mic for now, hopefully, for starter people. This is the XLR cable, which is a 3.5mm headphone jack, which plugs into the back of the computer. So this simply, you just let the tab, you close that, you push it in, and yeah, and it locks in place. So I find that a great feature. And the cable is really long, so you won't have any issues there. So then we have some salt, which you do not eat. We have the stand, which clips onto the table like so. And then we have our shock mount, which obviously holds the microphone, obviously. So we start putting this together. We put this into this. You tie it with a nut. We then get the microphone. No, we don't. We get the shock mount next, and we screw that on there, like so. Maybe if I can put it on the right train. So then you can tilt it any way you like. That turns, you can tighten that, you can adjust it like that. You put the microphone in then. So you pull these two tabs back, slip it in. And then you just talk, pretty much. Like so. You have your XLR cable. bolts into the bottom of it. And you can just, if you're really fussy about cables, you can just cable tie it up to the top, up to this and down into your PC, whatever. You then have your pop filter, which reduces noise again. Just clips on like so. And just sits, you have to get in the right position, and just sits in front of the microphone somehow. And then there you go, you have your microphone, you can talk away. I'll be doing the sound test on this soon enough, and I'll let you guys know in about a month's time if I like it or not. But it was £25 on Amazon, so it's going to be a great microphone for me, I'd say, for starting off YouTube. If you're new to this channel and you haven't seen my face on the screen before, make sure. Sorry for that interruption, guys. My storage on my phone was full. This is the microphone and it's full where you can tilt it and all that jazz. I told you that already, I think. I hope. I haven't seen the footage yet. But yeah, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit the red subscribe button down below. Leave a like on this video if you did enjoy it, and yeah, comment down in the section below if you think I should do anything different or whatever. I don't know. This has been Dave Tech Show. Hello, yeah, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.